Traders, traders. Hope you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I pray and I hope and I wish and I pray and I hope and I pray and I wish that you guys use this weekend to prepare yourself for the next trading week. This is boy Harlem, KCOC, and we back again with another video. This will be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. You guys know that this is the month of November, and we are in the month of November, first month of the last. So it shows that 2024 has moved, and 2024 was rewarding and was a great trading year. If you still want to make this year the greatest year of your trading journey, sure you do need to subscribe to this year's Academy team services. We're having the 30-day one-on-one, and we're having the basic one-on-one. You can choose which do you prefer and which do you want to work with. So since Academy can deliver us from there and change your trading journey the way it has to be and the way it's destined to be. But without further ado, guys, I repeat, this will be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. Just not sure of the date, but before we get any further, like on the video, share the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, sign up with the broker to be traded with, and highly recommend by simply clicking that link in our description. Like I said, if you want to be part of us here at Academy, use this opportunity in this time. Send us a DM, to send us an email, to send us a call, or even a WhatsApp, and let us do the rest from there. But without further ado, let's hit the charts, let's share these gems, and let's make sure that we have a wonderful week. So, structure on the NAS, you can clearly see that current market price is bearish. And you can tell that from price holding this highest top, this highest point, price then accelerated to the side, giving us this lowest point. And when you now use this tree, you can tell that this was our reaction. This was our reaction, and this was our reaction from a breakout and a break above, right? So this is what our price is close to week. So what I want to say for the coming week, if price will be continuing bullish, then can we at least trade above our support, right? Because you can clearly see that this is our support. Price held, and the price is below. If price is looking to be bullish, can trade above our support, but if price is bearish, can we stay below our support zone for the coming week? There's nothing else that I can talk about, but this will be very simple the way it has to be. That's the only confirmation we're waiting for, right? If price is above, we anticipate buys based on how prices reacted previously. But if price is bearish, then we base this based on how prices is reacting. From price craving as support, price broke below and then it reaches below. Now it's giving us resistance. Do you guys get that? So we slide to the second page, which is gold. So gold, guys, you can clearly see that structure is still bullish. Price is still bullish, right? Even though you can clearly see that from price giving us this resistance, price had a breakout and price had a break above, like below, right? So this break below, you can clearly see the price gave you a simple reaction from a break below, it reaches below, and price is looking to give us a possible continuation to the downside. So all I want to say is for the coming week, based on the prices already reacted, what we need or what we want to see for the coming week is very simple. Will price have a reaction? Will price give us a violation? Right? Or will price have a reaction? And will price give us a violation? Because we now understand that from this resistance, price was respecting resistance until we break below and then it reaches below. So if price moves to the downside, can we at least wait and see what is going to happen on support. But if price reacts to the upside, can we wait and see what is still going to happen. Do you guys get that? Without further ado, that pay. So USD CAD, we don't have a trade idea, right? We don't have a trade idea based on what you can clearly see that obviously this was our higher high, 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 this was our higher high. Our price is given us a higher high, right? Because we don't have a trade idea based on how price is looking right here. You can see that this was our high low, high low, high low, high low, high low, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, and now price is close to the high. First things first, we understand that our structure is bullish, right? And with price having the strong move to the upside, price hasn't given us a strong price hasn't given us a deeper pullback on our higher time frames. like your daily and your weekly. And if price is not giving us such exhaustion phase or higher low formation, then that clearly means price is strongly bullish and price is still reacting bullish. There's no way, shape, or form we can let price, we can just buy without our higher time frames having that pullback exhaustion phase or higher low formation. That's why we don't have a trade idea, because our higher time frames are saying what lower time frames are not saying. Do you guys get that? So we hit the fourth P. So Tesla, guys, this will be one of the funniest pairs I can ever talk about in 2024, right? So we had this break above to close for the week, because we had this break above, price gave us this break below, right? So we now understand that our resistance or our 265 zone to 64, 65-ish zone has a strong reaction every time price is below or every time price is trading on it. Here we were looking for a simple break and retest to look for continuations, right? But you can clearly see that price any break out, any break below. So all I can say is now we don't have a trade idea, because prices giving us some reactions that we don't need, and prices are still doing what we anticipate. So what do we do from there? We slide. So last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, guys, I need you to understand this nature, right? Price, obviously, prices up our all-time high resistance, right? Based on what? Based on the simple break and retest. So all I'm now looking for, because we're now waiting for confirmation, I just want to have something that will make me be more than comfortable, right? If this will be our resistance, if this will be our retest for price having a breakout, can we now at least let price trade above our very same resistance, so we can anticipate on continuations to the downside? But if price breaks below this very same zone and stays below, then we can anticipate those moves to the downside. What I want to say is price had a breakout, and now price is having us is giving us a possible retest. If price stays above, we're going to look to be bullish, but if price is below, then I guess we'll have to be bearish. Do you guys get that? So those will be what we're anticipating for the coming week on our major trading outlook. Making sure to keep everything legit and straight, and most of all, simple for you guys. This is not financial advice. Look at what you are looking at, see what you see, and see what you can do. And that's the only flex that you can use, and that's the only way you can use to capitalize independently. But without further ado, before I end the video, I shared a different video. I shared a different type of today, this week. I was unpacking my girlfriend's TEMU packages, right? This is what I still want to do, just to show you guys that it's not all about trading, but it's just about you being who you're destined to be, and just being yourself and just being real to yourself. So if you liked the video and if you felt the video, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment, so we can see what we can do from now. But without further ado, hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hope you guys prepare for this wonderful week. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. This month, we choose to log in, and we choose to log in. Without further ado, this is your boy Adam, signing out.